I am sitting in my car in the Walmart parking lot. I'm running a whole bunch of errands, doing some last minute stuff for Christmas, but also getting prescriptions and just doing a whole bunch of last minute stuff, trying to get everything done in one day. So I'm sitting here in the Walmart parking lot and I wanted to do a quick video because I want to get the word out. Plexus is giving double the amount of bonuses. They're already very generous they pay their customers for referrals, and they're very, very generous, and they do network marketing the way it ought to be done. So I just absolutely love it. So even if someone doesn't want to do this as a business, they just want to earn some extra cash, they make it very, very easy for anyone to do this. I was able to do this when I was sick in the beginning, trying to get myself healthy. I just shared naturally what God was doing with my health, and I was able to grow a business. And you can make an extra $500 this